Hello, students. I am Madhuri, your maths teacher. We will learn 9th standard maths today, CBSE syllabus, chapter 2, polynomials, and we will learn about remainder theorem, and we will learn the division of a polynomial by a monomial, division of a polynomial by a linear polynomial, and division of a polynomial by a non-zero polynomial. So, 2.4, remainder theorem. Let us consider two numbers 15 and 6. You know that when we divide 15 by 6, we get the quotient 2 and the remainder 3. See 15 divided by 6. 2 times 6 is 12. We will get 15 minus 12 is equal to 3. So quotient 2 and remainder 3. Now we write 15 as 15 is equal to 2 into 6 plus 3. Quotient into divisor plus remainder. We observe that the remainder 3 is less than the divisor 6. Remainder is 3, divisor is 6. So remainder is always less than the divisor. Similarly, if we divide 12 by 6, we get 12 divided by 6. 2 times 12, 0. So the quotient 2 and remainder 0. So 12 is equal to 2 into x plus 0. What is the remainder here? 0. So here the remainder is 0. And say that 6 is a factor of 12 or 12 is a multiple of 6. So here the remainder is 0. So we can say that 6 is a factor of 12. 2 and 6 are the factors of 12 and 12 is a multiple of 2 and 6. Why? Because the remainder is 0. So now the question is, can we divide one polynomial by another? To start with, let us try and do this when the divisor is a monomial. So we will divide a polynomial by a monomial. Division of a polynomial by a monomial. So let us divide the polynomial 2x raised to 3 plus x squared plus x by the monomial x. So here the divisor is x. Dividend is 2s cube plus s squared plus x. So for dividing by x means we will divide each term by x. 2s cube by x plus s squared by x plus x by x. So we have 2s cube plus s squared plus x divided by x is equal to 2s cube by x plus s squared by x plus x by x. So 2x raised to 3 by x is what? 1x is cancelled and 2x will remain. You will get 2x squared. Here 1x will cancel and 1x will remain. You will get x. And x by x is equal to 1. So you will get 2s squared plus x plus 1. We can write 2s cube plus s squared plus x as x into 2s squared plus x plus 1. X into 2s squared plus x plus 1. So x is the divisor. So here we can say that x and 2s squared plus x plus 1 are the factors of 2s cube plus s squared plus x, and 2s cube plus s squared plus x is a multiple of x and 2s squared plus x plus 1. So we say that x and 2s squared plus x plus 1 are factors of 2s cube plus s squared plus x. And 2s squared plus s squared, 2s cube plus s squared plus x is a multiple of x as well as a multiple of 2s squared plus x plus 1. Consider another pair of polynomials 3s squared plus x plus 1 and x. Here 3s squared plus x plus 1 divided by x. So we will divide each term by x. 3s squared by x plus x by x plus 1 by x. So here 3s squared plus 3s squared divided by x, you will get 3x. And x divided by x, you will get plus 1. And 1 divided by x, you cannot divide 1 by x. So we see that we cannot divide 1 by x to get a polynomial term. So in this case, we stop here and note that 1 is the remainder. So here this 1 is we cannot divide 1 by x, so we will note that 1 is the remainder. So therefore we have 3x raised to 2 plus x plus 1 is equal to 3x plus 1. So 3x squared by x is 3x and x divided by x is 1. So 3x plus 1 into x, divisor is x, plus the remainder is 1. So plus 1. Now in this case 3x plus 1 is the quotient and 1 is the remainder. 3x plus 1 is the quotient and 1 is the remainder. So do you think that x is a factor of 3x squared plus x plus 1? No. Why? Because the remainder is not 0. Since the remainder is not 0, it is not a factor. Now divide a polynomial by any non-zero polynomial. So example, divide px by gx. Here px is x plus 3x squared minus 1 and gx is 1 plus x. So solution. We carry out the process of division by means of the following steps. Step 1. We write the dividend x plus 3x squared minus 1 and the divisor 1 plus x in the standard form. That is, after arranging the terms in the descending order of their degrees. So what you will get here, the power of x is variable is 1, here power of variable is 2 and here power of variable is 0. So we will write in the descending order of their powers or degree. So you will get you will write 3x squared first, x second and minus 1 third, and here x first and 1 second, x plus 1. So the dividend 3 squared plus x minus 1 and divisor is x plus 1. Step 2. We divide the first term of the dividend by the first term of the divisor. What is the first term of the dividend? First term of the dividend is 3 squared. So you will write 3 squared first. 3 squared divided by the first term of the divisor x. So 3 squared divided by x. 3x raised to 2 means 3 into x divided by x. So we will cancel 1x. What is remaining? 3x. So 3x squared, the first term of the divisor. 3x squared divided by first term of the dividend is 3x squared, first term of the divisor is x. So 3x squared by s gives 3x. That is the first term of the quotient. Step 3. We multiply the divisor by the first term of the quotient and subtract the product from the dividend. So here the first term of the quotient is 3x and divisor is s plus 1. We will multiply 3x into x plus 1. What you will get? 3x into s plus 1. So 3x into x is 3x squared plus 3x into next term 1. So that is 3x. Now multiply x plus 1 by 3x and subtract the product 3x squared plus 3x from the dividend 3x squared plus x minus 1. So what you will get? 3x squared minus 3x squared 0. X minus 2x is equal x minus 3x is equal to minus 2x. So now This gives the remainder negative. So now we will take the next term down, that is negative 1. So this gives the remainder as negative 2x minus 1. So we treat the remainder negative 2x minus 1 as the new dividend. Now the new dividend is minus 2x minus 1. The divisor remains the same, x plus 1. So the first term of the new dividend is negative 2x. That divided by the first term of the divisor x, what you will get negative 2. So the second term of the quotient is negative 2. So the new quotient is 3x minus 2. We repeat step 2 to get the next term of the quotient. So we divide, so that is this term of the quotient is minus 2. That is, we divide the first term negative 2x of the new dividend by the first term x of the divisor and obtain negative 2. Thus, negative 2 is the second term of the quotient. Step 3. We multiply the divisor by the second term of the quotient and subtract the product from the dividend. So here, second term of the quotient is minus 2. So x plus 1 into negative 2 is negative 2 into first term of the divisor x is negative 2x. X plus negative 2 into 1 is minus 2. So you will get minus 2x minus 2. So we will subtract that from the dividend. So minus 2 is 0. Then minus 1 minus 2. So minus 1 minus minus 1 minus 2. So minus of minus 2 means you will get plus 2. So negative 1 plus 2. That means negative 1 minus negative 2. That means negative 1 minus of minus plus 2. Now two integers, different sign. One is negative, one is positive. We will find the difference. Difference of 2 and 1 is 1. And assign the sign of the integer having greater absolute value. Here 2 has greater absolute value. Its sign is positive. So you will get plus 1. Now, thus we will multiply x plus 1 by negative 2, subtract the products minus 2 is minus 2 from the dividend, from the dividend negative 2x minus 1, and this gives us 1 as the remainder. So this process will repeat. This process will continue till the degree of the new dividend is less than the degree of the divisor. So here the new dividend is 1. So its degree is 0. Degree of the divisor x plus 1 is 1. So here the degree of the new dividend is smaller than the degree of the divisor. So we can stop here. So at this stage, this new dividend becomes the remainder and sum of the quotient gives the whole quotient. So the new dividend become the remainder and the sum of the quotient gives the whole quotient. So again I will show once again the same thing, how to divide 3x squared plus x minus 1 by x plus 1. Okay, here the first term of the dividend is 3x squared. That divided by the first term of the divisor is x. 3x squared by x is equal to 3x. Now we will multiply. So the first term of the quotient is 3x. Now we will multiply the first term of the quotient by x plus 1 divisor. So 3x into x plus 1. So you will get 3x into x is 3x squared plus 3x into 1 is plus 3x. So we will write this product here. We will subtract this product from the dividend. 3x squared plus 3x we will subtract that from the divisor. So 3 dividend. 3x squared minus 3x squared is 0. X minus 3x. So here the sign will change. X minus 3x is equal to minus 2x. Okay. So x minus 3x means x plus negative 3x. Sorry, x plus negative 3x. So here the difference is 2x, and first this one has the greater absolute value, its sign is negative. Now next minus 1. So this is the remainder. Now we will consider this as the next dividend. So what is the first term of the dividend? 2x. And divisor is same, x plus 1. So the first term of the divisor is x. So we will divide 2x by x. Here first term is minus 2x. Okay. First term of the dividend is minus 2x. Minus 2x divided by x, you will get negative 2. Now negative 2 is the second term of the quotient. Okay. Now we will multiply the second term of the quotient into the divisor. What is the divisor? X plus 1. So x plus 1. What you will get? Negative 2 into x is negative 2x. And negative 2 into plus 1 is minus 2. So now minus 2x minus 2 we will subtract from the dividend. So we will subtract this product from the dividend. So you will have to write minus 2x minus 2. Minus 2x minus 2x is 0. So this negative 1 minus 2 means this will become plus negative 1 plus 2. What is negative 1 plus 2? Negative 1 plus 2 is equal to positive 1. So addition of different signs. So that means integers with a different sign means we will find the difference and we will write the sign of the integer having greater absolute value. You will get positive 1. Now the degree of the remainder is, what is the remainder? 1. So the degree of the remainder is 0 and the degree of the divisor is 1. So the degree of the remainder is smaller than the degree of the divisor. So we will stop here. Now what is the quotient? Quotient is equal to 3x minus 2 and remainder is equal to positive 1. Okay. So this is the way we have to divide a polynomial by another polynomial. So first term of the dividend divided by first term of the divisor, 3x squared by x, you will get 3x. That is the first term of the quotient. Then we will multiply the first term of the quotient by the divisor, 3x into x plus 1. You will get 3x into x is 3x squared plus 1 into 3x is 3x. We will subtract the product from the dividend. You will get minus 2x minus 1. Now we will consider this as the new dividend. The first term of the new dividend is negative 2x. First term of the divisor is x. So negative 2x divided by x is negative 2. This will be the second term of the quotient. Now second term of the quotient into divisor. Negative 2 into s plus 1 is negative 2x minus 2. We will subtract this from the dividend. You will get plus 1 as the remainder. Here the degree of the polynomial, degree of the remainder is smaller than the degree of the divisor. So we will stop the division here. So we will get the quotient 3x minus 2 and remainder 1. In general, if px and gx are two polynomials such that degree of px is greater than or equal to degree of gx and gx is not equal to 0, then we can find polynomials qx and rs such that px is equal to gx in the qx plus rs. Okay, dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. When Rx is equal to 0 or degree of Rx is less than degree of Gx. Here we say that Px divided by Gs gives Qs as quotient and Rs as remainder. Here 3x minus 2 as quotient and 1 as remainder. 3x squared plus x minus 1 dividend, x plus 1 divisor, quotient 3x minus 2 and remainder 1. Where Rx is equal to 0 or degree of Rx is less than degree of Gx. So remainder should be 0 or remainder should be the degree of the remainder should be less than the degree of the divisor. Here we say that Px divided by Gx gives Qx as quotient, Rs as remainder. A linear polynomial is a polynomial with the highest power is 1. Every linear polynomial has exactly one root. Here x plus 1. What is the higher power of this polynomial x plus 1? 1. So it is a linear polynomial. Here the degree of the polynomial is 2. 3 squared. So this is a quadratic polynomial. So a linear polynomial is of the form ax plus b, where a and b are constants and a not equal to 0. So ax plus b, here a is 1, b is 1. So ax means 1 into x is x plus 1. So a and b are constant and a not equal to 0. So 3 into negative 1 squared is equal to 3 plus negative 1 minus 1, that means plus negative 1. So negative 1 and negative 1, negative 2. You will get 3 plus negative 2. What is 3 plus negative 2? Positive 1. We will get the same remainder here. So the remainder obtained on dividing Px is equal to 3x squared plus x minus 1 by x plus 1 is the same as the value of the polynomial Px at the 0 of the polynomial x plus 1, that is negative 1. So that means here the remainder is same as P negative 1. In the example above, the divisor was a linear polynomial. So the divisor is a linear polynomial. In Px is equal to 3x squared plus x minus 1, if we replace x by negative 1, we have, why we replace x by negative 1, how we got negative 1? So when x plus 1 is equal to 0, s should be negative 1. Negative 1 plus 1 is equal to 0. That's why we are going to replace x by 1. So when we will replace x by 1, so Px in the place of x, we will write negative 1. So 3 squared means 3 into negative 1 squared. So that means negative 1 into negative 1 plus x. So plus negative 1, x is negative 1 minus 1. So the remainder obtained on dividing Px is equal to 3x squared plus x minus 1 by x plus 1 is the same as the value of the polynomial Px at the 0 of the polynomial x plus 1, that is negative 1. So that means here the remainder is same as P negative 1. So that means what is negative 1? 0 of x plus 1. So what is 0 of s plus 1? When s plus 1 is 0, then x is equal to negative 1. So 0 of x plus 1 is negative 1. So here the remainder is same as the 0 of the polynomial s plus 1. That is 0 of the divisor. So now next, divide the polynomial 3x raised to 4 minus 4s cube minus 3x minus 1 by x minus 1. So first we have to arrange the terms of the polynomial according to the power of the variable. So power of the variable should be in the descending order. Here it is in the descending order. Here power of the variable is 4, here 3, here 1 and here 0. So here the divisor is also in the descending order only. So now we will write 3s raised to 4 minus 4s cube minus 3s minus 1 divided by x minus 1. Here the first term of the dividend is 3x raised to 4 and here the first term of the divisor is x. We will divide 3x raised to 4 by x. So we will get 3x raised to 4 divided by x is equal to 3x raised to 3. So now we will multiply. This is the first term of the quotient. Now we will multiply the first term of the quotient by the divisor, that is x minus 1. So you will get 3x raised to 4 minus 3x cubed. So you will subtract this product from the dividend. So 3x raised to 4 minus 3x raised to 4 is 0. Here this sign will become positive, minus will become plus. So minus 4s cubed plus 3s cube is equal to, so different signs, so difference is 1s cube and 4 has the greater absolute value, its sign is negative. So we will get negative 1s cube. Now minus 3x minus 1 is the remainder. So this we will consider as the new dividend. What is the first term of the new dividend? Minus s cube. First term of the divisor x. So minus s cube by x. What is minus s cube by x? Minus s squared. That will be the second term of the quotient. So now we will multiply the second term of the quotient by the divisor. So minus s squared by x minus 1. So minus s squared into x minus 1. Minus s squared into x minus s cube. Minus 1 minus s squared is plus s squared. So we will subtract the product from the new dividend. So minus s cubed minus 3s minus 1 minus s cubed plus s squared. So minus s cube 0. So minus 3, so here s squared, nothing is here. S squared term is not there. So that is we will consider as 0 s squared. 0 s squared minus s squared is minus x squared. So and the next term is minus 3x minus 1. So minus s squared minus 3x minus 1 as the new dividend. So what is the first term of the new dividend? Minus s squared. First term of the quotient x. So minus s squared divided by x is what? Negative x. That will be the third term of the quotient. Now we will multiply the third term of the quotient into divisor. So minus x into x minus 1. So you will get minus x into x is negative s squared. Minus x minus 1 is plus x. So we will subtract this product from the new dividend. So s squared minus 3s minus 1 minus minus s squared plus 1. So minus s squared minus s squared 0. Minus 3x minus x is same sign. So sum and same sign. 3x plus x is 4x and same sign minus 4x. So now minus 4x minus 1 is the remainder. That remainder is the new dividend. First term of the new dividend is 4x. First term of the divisor is x. So 4x divided by x. What is 4x divided by x? Negative 4x divided by x, negative 4. That is the new quotient. Okay. So now that fourth term of the quotient into divisor x minus 1. So negative 4 into x minus 1. So negative 4 into x is negative 4x. Negative 4 into minus 1 is plus 4. So you subtract the product from the new dividend. So minus 4x minus 1 minus 4x plus 4. So minus 4x minus 4x is 0. Minus 1 minus 4 is same sign. So here plus 4 will become minus. So now same sign. So sum 5 and same sign negative 5. So next, so here now the power of the quotient is x raised to 0, negative 5 x raised to 0. That is smaller than the power of the divisor. So we will stop the process here. So the remainder is negative 5 and quotient is 3s cube minus s squared minus x minus x. So here remainder is negative 5. Now the 0 of x minus 1 is 1. What is 0 of x minus 1? When x minus, so when x is equal to 1, x minus 1 is 0. So 0 of x minus 1 is 1. So we will find what is P1. So P1 we will get negative 5. We can check that one. Putting x is equal to 1 in PS, we see that P1 is 3 into x raised to 4. That means 1 raised to 4 minus 4 into 1 cubed minus 3 into 1 minus 1. So 4 into 1 cubed is 1. So that means 4 is here. 3 into 1 raised to 4 is 3 into 1. You will get 3. And 4 into 1 cubed is 4 into 1. You will get minus 4. Minus 3 into 1 is minus 3 and minus 1. Here one number is positive, all the other three numbers are negative. Sum of all positive is 3 and sum of all negative is equal to negative 4, negative 3, negative 1. So 4 plus 3, 7, 7 plus 1, 8, minus 8. So 3 minus 8. So here 3 minus 8 means 3 plus negative 8. So difference is 5 and the big number sign is negative. So the sign of the sum is negative. So negative 5 we will get P1 is equal to negative 5. That will be the remainder. Find the remainder obtained on dividing Px is equal to s cube plus 1 by x plus 1. Here s cube, so here s cubed plus 1. So in between s squared term and x term is not there. So you will write plus 0 s squared plus 0x plus 1. So all the terms are there. So first term of the dividend is s cubed. First term of the divisor is x. So x cubed divided by x is what? S squared. So s squared will be the first term of the quotient. So quotient into divisor x plus 1. What you will get? X squared into x plus 1. S squared into x is s cubed. S squared into plus 1 is plus s squared. So we will subtract s cube plus s squared from the dividend. S cube minus s cube 0. 0 s squared minus s squared is equal to minus s squared. Now next term is plus 0 is. This will be the new dividend. But the first term of the new dividend is minus s squared. First term of the divisor is x. So minus s squared by x. You will get negative x. That will be the next term of the quotient. So we will multiply second term of the quotient into divisor. Minus x into x plus 1. So minus x into x is minus s squared. Minus x into plus 1 is minus x. So minus s squared minus x. So we subtract this from the divisor. Minus s squared minus x. Minus s squared minus s squared 0. Then 0x minus x is plus x. Okay. You will write the opposite sign. So you will get plus x. The next term is 1. So x plus 1 is the new dividend. What is x divided by x? 1. So now that will be the next term of the quotient. So we will multiply next term of the quotient plus x plus 1. So 1 into x plus 1 is x plus 1. We will subtract that from x plus 1. You will get the remainder 0. That means s plus 1 is a factor of s cubed plus 1. Now we will find p negative 1. So here the 0 of s plus 1 is negative 1. So p negative 1 you will get 0. We can check. So we find that the remainder is 0. Here px is s cube plus 1 and the root of x plus 1 is equal to 0 is x is equal to negative 1. 0 of x plus 1 is negative 1. Root of x plus 1 means 0 of x plus 1 is negative 1. We will find p of negative 1. So negative 1 cubed plus 1. Negative 1 into negative 1 into negative 1. 3 times negative is equal to, product will be negative. Odd number of times the product of odd number of negative integers is negative. So you will get negative 1 plus 1, that is 0. See? So you will get the remainder 0, which is equal to the remainder obtained by actual division. So what is remainder theorem? Let Px be any polynomial of degree greater than or equal to 1 and let A be any real number. If Px is divided by the linear polynomial x minus a, then the remainder is Pa. If Px is divided by the linear polynomial x minus a, 0 of x minus a is a, because a minus a is 0. So Pa will be the remainder. Okay. So if Px is divided by the linear polynomial x minus a, then the remainder is Pa. So we will find the 0 of x minus 1. When x minus 1 is equal to 0, what will be x1? 1 minus 1 is 0. So we will find this is px. So we will find what is p1. P1 will be the remainder of x square x raised to 4 plus s cube minus 2s squared plus x plus 1. Here px is s cube s raised to 4 plus x cube minus 2s squared plus s plus 1 and the 0 of x minus 1 is 1. So we will find P1. P1 is in the place of x, we will write 1. So P1 is 1 raised to 4 plus 1 cubed minus 2 into 1 squared plus 1 plus 1. So 1 raised to 4 is 1, 1 cubed is 1. So 1 plus 1, so 1 squared is 1. So 2 into 1 is 1. So minus 2 plus 1 plus 1. 1 raised to 4 is equal to 1 raised to 4 is equal to 1, 1 cubed is 1 and minus 2 into 1 squared is minus 2 plus, plus 1 plus 1. So 1 plus 1, 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. Then 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 is the remainder. Now next. So by remainder theorem, 2 is the remainder when x raised to 4 plus s cube minus 2s squared plus x plus 1 is divided by x minus 1. Check whether the polynomial qt is equal to 4t cubed plus 4t squared minus t minus 1 is multiplied by, is a multiple of 2t plus 1. How can we check that whether this is a multiple of 2t plus 1? Multiple of 2t plus 1. When, see, if 12 is a multiple of 6 means when we will divide 12 by 6, we will get the remainder 0. When 12 is a multiple of 6 means when 12 divided by 6, we will get the remainder 0. So the same way, if 2t plus 1 is a multiple of qt means when we will divide qt by 2t plus 1, we have to get the remainder 0. As you know that qt will be a multiple of 2t plus 1 only if 2t plus 1 divides qt leaving remainder 0. So now taking 2t plus 1 is equal to 0, we have to find the 0 of 2t plus 1. So when 2t plus 1 is equal to 0, we have t is equal to half. Let's show that. when 2t plus 1 is equal to 0, what is 2t? Negative 1. So we'll take plus 1 to that side, you will get negative 1. So when 2t is equal to negative 1, what is t? Negative 1 divided by 2. So the 0 of 2t plus 1 is equal to negative 1 by 2. We will find q negative 1 by 2. So in the place of t, we will write negative 1 by 2. So 4 into negative 1 by 2 cubed plus, so q negative 1 by 2 is equal to 4 into negative 1 by 2 the whole cubed plus 4 into negative 1 by 2 the whole squared minus negative 1 by 2 minus 1. In the place of 2 cubed, we will write negative 1 by 2. So you will get 4 into negative 1 by 8 plus 4 into here 2 times negative means product is positive into negative 1 by 2 minus 1. So you will get negative 1 by 2 plus 4 into 1 by 4 is 1. Minus of minus means plus half minus 1. So minus half plus half 0 and minus 1 plus 1 0. You will get remainder 0. So you can say that, so the remainder obtained on dividing qt by 2t plus 1 is equal to 0. So 2t plus 1 is a factor of the given polynomial qt. So that is qt is a multiple of 2t plus 1. So when the remainder is 0, we can say that 2t plus 1 is a multiple of qt.